In this video I show you how to create this text animation that you see on the screen. Let's go. So we create a new composition. We will be using these settings. I'll call this text animation, click OK, and then I'll press Ctrl T to select text tool, or just go over here, horizontal type tool, select it, and then type in your text, and then we align this into the center from Align panel. Horizontally and vertically we align it into the center. And now I'll open the settings here and then go to Animate, and now I select Tracking, and now I go to Range Selector 1 settings, set a keyframe on start at the beginning, and then we move by 15 frames, so shift page down to move by 10 frames, and then page down, press page down by 5 times, and then we change start to 100%. Now we go to Add Property and then add opacity to it. And now we change the opacity to 0, but we don't animate it, we keep it like it is. And then I select the keyframes here, press F9 to easy ease for a smoother animation. And now I go back to Animate and then select Tracking again. So now I go to 20th frame, open the settings for, so we get this animated 2 here for tracking, and then actually we don't open the settings here, we just set a keyframe on tracking amount at 20th frame, and then move to first, second, and then I change this to 100. Now I select the keyframes, press F9, and this time we go to graph editor and do an adjustment into the curve like that. So it will start fast and slow down at the end. So let's have a look at where we are now. We got this type of animation. So I close the settings now and then right click, pre-compose, or just press Ctrl Shift C. I'll call this text. I'll check this one, move all attributes, click OK, and now while having this layer selected, I go to Layer, Layer Styles, and add a stroke to it. Now we open Blending Option Settings, go to Advanced Blending, and then we change the fill opacity to 0. So now we can see the stroke here. And then we want to change the color for it to white, so we open stroke settings, and from color we change this to white, and then we can change the stroke size to 6, and that should be it for the animation. Let's have a look at it.